Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you have already seen our club video showing our fun window to stamp and the dies that match. Well, you know what? If you saw that video, then you saw a couple sneak peeks for this video, because this video is going to show you all the fun add-ons that I did. Now, what happens is I'll design a stamp set or a die set, and I'll say, oh, but I also want this, and oh, I also want this, and oh, no, I also want this. So I design extras. So here we go. Here are our extras. First, I had lots of sayings I wanted to do, and these sayings are fun. So we have, adventure is just outside your window. When God shuts a door, he opens a window. Wake up every morning with the thought that something wonderful is going to happen. Find your passion. Don't miss the open windows trying to break down closed doors, and enjoy life. And then I added some cute little dots because it's fun to put them like around different things and things like that. So that is the stamp set that matches. But wait, my friends, there's more, because we also have dies that match. So I've added a shutter die here. So if you wanted to use shutters, you would just cut 2 of those. I've added the curtains, and I've added an extra kitty cat. Why? Because I'm worried you're gonna lose one. And I thought, you know what? I had a little tiny bit of room. I'm like, I'm gonna throw her in there. And then I've also added a bigger flower pot and another flower. So much fun. Now, I have lots of samples to share with you, but I also have another, I'm not gonna talk about that one. Let's do the windows first. Okay, so here's a fun example with those gorgeous curtains. And I thought, when I first saw this card Vanessa made, I said, wait, she stamped in there and I can't see what it says. Whoa, why did she do that? And then I went, oh, of course, she's such a smarty pants. Look at that. She put the phrase on the inside and she used acetate for the window. Genius, right? So you can have your cute little window on there. You open it up, and then there's the phrase. And she used our cloud stencil. Isn't that gorgeous to do that? Here's another gorgeous one. And this time, this is actually from Vanessa too. This time she added her own little chair rail, and we call it wainscoting or wainscoting. I think they call it different places. But you can see the cute little snowman through the window. Here's a cute one using that freebie die for our diehards, but here's those cute little curtains. The curtains just add so much. And look here, you can do the curtains in different patterns. Look, here's 3 different curtain samples, all with different pattern curtains. Totally different each time. Isn't that fun? Now here's our fun little shutters in action. Here's another one of our shutters in action. I just thought those were so cute. This one had Velcro. I love that. Ooh, here's a cute one. If you want it to fit on a standard card, you're just going to want to put them a little bit behind the window so they will fit. I love that. Or you can do a bigger card. Look at that. Bigger cards are so fun. And here's another bigger card. Oh, and here's another example of the gorgeous, gorgeous curtains. And here's a fun one, another one where they added score lines for the wall. I love that. So fun. Now those, of course, club members, you get the club discount on those add-on sets. Now, are you ready for this? I designed this one, and let me tell you, it took a long time to do because I sent it off to the factory and then they made a sample and I'm like, oh, that's not right. And I said, okay, try this. And then they made another sample and I'm like, oh, still not there. Try this. And then they did something else and I went, that's it. Well, what am I talking about? It's a Fold-it. It's a Snowflake Fold-it. But it is the most gorgeous Snowflake Fold-it on earth. Now, I'm going to show you this and you're going to go, Stephanie, that doesn't look very exciting. Don't worry, my friends. Look at this. Are you ready for this? Look at this. This is actually, who made this one? Danya made this one as an ornament for the tree. Now look, it is that thick. Look at how gorgeous this is. And I hope we can get a close-up of it. But it is, and she used our glitter paper and our foil paper. It is absolutely, positively the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen. Now, let's look at one that I just cut out just so you could see what it's gonna look like cut out. So here it is when it's cut out, and it's gonna have all of these different options. So like this little flower will come out and you can put a different color in there if you want. All of these pieces come out and you can add different colors in there. For example, let me see, I think, oh, here's an example. So here we have white in the background. The snowflake itself is cut out in the teal, but then in the light pink, all those pieces have been added back in. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And of course, you can make it a folded if you want to. Now, also, I want you to notice, look at all those cute little cutouts. you're gonna run this through a few times. You're not gonna run it through once and expect it to completely cut perfectly. You're gonna run it through a couple times because it's very, very intricate. Here's another example. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh, with felt even in the background. So pretty. Here's another one with peace. My design team literally had no time to do these, and look how many they did and how gorgeous they are because it's so easy. Look at this one with the foil in the background. Ooh, this one's a card on top of a card. I love that. Isn't that gorgeous with those cute little pearls? Now, club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount on these. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you're totally missing out. If I went too fast on any of these, don't worry, they're all on our website at thestampsoflife.com. Go to each item and there's a button that says View Product Gallery. Click on that and you can see all of these ideas and lots more. Okay, you can even highlight, you can print them, you can heart them, you can do whatever you want to keep them fresh in your memory. So thank you so much, my friend. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.